Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to click on the profile icon that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, first of all, you have to select the photo of which you want to change the order. Now for example, I will be changing the order of these photos such that I will be changing this picture from the first position to the last. So now what you have to do is that select the first photo and click on the three dots that are present right besides your username. Then click on edit. In the edit section, you will see a delete icon. So you have to click on that. Again, click on delete. Now you simply have to click on done that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now as you can see, that picture is removed from my post. You don't have to worry because we won't be deleting it permanently. So now you have to click on the menu that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on your activity. In your activity, you have to tap on recently deleted. In recently deleted, just select the picture that you deleted right now. Then click on the restore icon that is present right below your battery icon. Again, click on restore. So now you have to go back to your profile and over there, as you can see, I have very easily changed the order of my post on Instagram. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.